So we're going to begin today with the study plan. We're just going to work through each section that we have to master. So I'm going to start with 1.1. I will just work our way through it. So I'm going to copy and paste this over here. Okay, so we want to find the least common denominator of the given expression. Now, this might be easy enough to see right away, but I'm going to show you this method that's called the column method that works. And when we get to harder stuff, we'll be able to use it then. So what we're basically going to do is we're going to factor completely each number that's in the denominator, right? So this is 2 times 3. What we're going to do is we're going to put each one in a unique column. 8 is 2. Now it's 2 times 2 times 2, so we have to make a new column for the 2's because they're not 3, so they don't go here, but they need their own column. And then the 2 right here, there's just a 2. Right? When you're done, you bring everything down. So just to recap, this is 6 is 2 times 3, 8 is 2 times 2 times 2, and then 2 is 2. We bring everything down, and this is 6, 12, 24. So this right here is our LCD. So the least common denominator here will be 24. And all right, have 100%. Next one, recognize linear equations. Determine whether the given equation is linear or nonlinear. So what is a linear equation? A linear equation is of the form ax plus b equals 0. Now sometimes we're also used to this from maybe before the slope-intercept form, but notice it's the same thing except here y is equal to 0. So a would be the slope and b would be the y-intercept, analogous to this one. But what mainly matters is that this is of degree 1. So right here, there's like a imaginary 1 right there. So it's a degree 1 polynomial. So this is degree 2, right? Because there's a 2 right there. So it cannot be linear. This is actually quadratic. So, and here we just care if is it linear or nonlinear? Our answer is it is nonlinear. Now let's see, where did I put the box? There it is. Okay. So this is nonlinear. Solve this equation. Okay, so we're going to solve 5 times 2x plus 4 equals 12 minus 2 times x minus 4. Now what's important to remember here is PEMDAS. And remember, when it comes to PEMDAS, these are actually tied, and these are actually tied. So this is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, or addition and subtraction. So whichever one, if you see a subtraction before the addition, they're tied for priority. So what we're going to do here is we're going to multiply through, because there's nothing really we can do in here. So this is going to be 10x, and then plus 20 equals, the 12 just comes down. Here we can distribute this negative 2 to the x, so it's negative 2 times x is minus 2x. Now a very common mistake is to forget that that negative distributes again to this one. So negative 2 minus 4 is plus 8. Now at this point we can just kind of clean stuff up a bit. Minus 2x, and then here we have 12 plus 8 is 20, and we want to get the x's to one side and the numbers to the other side. So we're going to do the opposite here, plus 2x, and we want to get this one, so we're going to do this all in one step. We want to get this over to this side here, right? So we're going to subtract 20 and then subtract 20 over here. So now we have 12x equals 20 minus 20 is 0. Divide both sides by 12. We get x equals 0. Now it's very important to check these to make sure they're right. Maybe we made a mistake here. Maybe I made a mistake on purpose just to test you. So 2 times 0, so I'm plugging it into the original, plus 4 equals 12 minus 0 minus 4. So this is 5, this is going to be 0, so 5 times 4 is 20, and this is 12 minus 4, so that's plus 8. Both are equal to 20, so it works out. So our answer here is 0. All right, one more to go. Okay, let's solve this equation here. I'm just going to copy the equation part. Okay, so let's solve this equation here. So we have 2x squared minus 2x. Then this x becomes plus 3x squared minus 2x. And now we're going to have to FOIL here. So FOIL. So first is 5x squared. Outer is minus 20x. Inner is plus 8x. And then we have minus 32. We clean this up, and we have 5x squared minus 4x equals 5x squared. This becomes minus 20 plus 8 is minus 12, minus 32. And the 5x's we subtract. Basically what we're doing is this. I'll just show all my work. So minus 5x squared from both sides. Over here we're left with 0. Over here this is gone. Minus 12 plus 4 is minus 8x minus 32. Add 32 to both sides. Equals negative 8x divide by negative 8, x equals negative 4. And in this one, negative 4, you're not dividing by any negative 4, so I'll leave the check up to you. So negative 4. So we've now done 1.2